Have you ever wondered if it's possible to remove formulas while keeping the data that it's returning, whether it's in a single cell or maybe a formula that's populating a column or even a data range? So, to quickly view the formulas in a tab or a sheet, go to View, Show, and Formulas. And then there's the keyboard shortcut, which on my keyboard is Control and tilde. And that shows you where all the formulas are located on a tab. And you can just do Control tilde again, and they go back to normal. So, to just convert one cell, you can go Copy and Paste Special, Values Only. And so you can use the keyboard shortcuts there as well, Control C and Control Shift V on my keyboard. And then you can look here. This one is now just text, whereas this one is still a formula. So you can select multiple cells and do the exact same thing. Copy and paste special. So make sure you don't do just paste, it has to be values only. And now this entire column is now no longer formulas. So if you have a formula that populates more than one cell, whether it's a column or multiple columns, you're gonna have to select the entire column. So if I just do this one, copy and values only, you can see all the rest get lost. So I need to make sure I select the entire range. So I can select the entire column now, copy and paste special values only, and now those are all in place. So let's go back a few steps here. So now we have these all back to formulas. You can see those formulas in there. If you want to convert the entire tab or sheet of data to hard data, then click up on the upper left right here to select the entire tab. And then you can do the same thing on the entire tab. So copy, paste special, values only, and now the entire tab is converted from formulas into hard data. All right, so that's it for today's video on how to remove formulas while keeping the data. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.